Hello, thanks for coming to my homework dictation for Canvas tool, and hopefully I will show you how this can save you tons of time getting quick posts to your students when you're in a rush. There's a one-time setup that I'll walk you through right now, and then after that, you're one click away from posting assignments by just dictating what you want to say to your students. Okay, so first you're going to add your access code that you get when you purchase. Next, you're going to go to your Canvas page. So if you're at your Canvas dashboard here, this is the URL up here. It's all the way through the .com after instructure. That's the URL for your institution's Canvas page. Come back here, paste that there. Next, you need a Canvas API token. I know that sounds scary, but it's easy. We just go copy and paste. So we're going to go back over to Canvas, where we see account on the left-hand menu there. We're going to click that. Go to settings. We're going to scroll down until we see a nice bright blue button right there, new access token. Click that. You can give it a name, something like Canvas Dictation Tool by Foiled by Math, whatever you want. And then click Generate Token. Now it will create a token here. This is this long string of letters, numbers, and symbols, and we are going to copy that. It says you won't be able to access it again, but if you lose it or need to get another one, just generate another one. So after we have that copied, we'll close this, come back over, and paste it in there. It's only stored locally, so I never have access. Foiled by Math never has access to that. If you want to not have to paste that every time, you can create a password to just protect it locally. Great. And then when you come down here, Fetch Active Courses will go to Canvas and find all of your courses. Great. Now, this is not the courses necessarily that you just want to post one time. This is things that you want to post to any time. So you can select any courses that you want to post to, and you'll click Add Selected Courses. It'll create a list of them here. And now, if you want to be able to use this on another device, if you're on your phone, you want to use it on your computer or vice versa, this is the way that it'll sync across those devices. It is optional, but if you want to, then you need to enter your email address here, click Sync it back up, okay. Your information's been saved, and now you're done. Click Save Configuration, and that'll take you over to the posting page. So from here, you get to pick either announcement or assignment. And here's your courses. You can check off any ones that you want. You can post them multiple at once. If you want to get rid of them all, clear. If you want to select them all, select all. And now you're ready to dictate your announcement or assignment. So here's an example. Let's go ahead and say, allow microphone the first time. Assignment titled Linear Equations Homework, period. This is due on February 20th and is worth 20 points, period. New line, bullet, complete pages 8 and 9, numbers 1 through 20 even, period. New line, bullet. Be sure to show all your work, period. You might be asking why I said things like new line and bullet. You can use that to help create the format that you want. And look, this is the preview of what it'll actually look like. It won't have the word bullet. It'll actually put those bullets in there. It is doing its best to try to attempt to find the date. Sometimes it doesn't find the date, but you can always just go in there and click the date if you want to. And if you want to change the assignment group, you can. But now you are ready to post. If you want to make it unpublished, you can at first. So when I go ahead and post it to Canvas, just like that, it is done. Now, if you want to see what happened, because you're like, I don't see any evidence of it, click the Open in Canvas button right here. It'll jump you right to that post. So here it is, the assignment I created. If you needed to edit it, great. But otherwise, you are good to go. So after you're done here, it resets, and now you're ready to post another assignment. And this is all you have to do from one time to the next. As you're now sitting here, you can select the classes, press Dictate, change a few options, post to Canvas, ready to go. So hopefully this is helpful to you and can save you a bunch of time. Thanks.